Hello dear students, today we are going to do exercise 4.3 that is related with the case when two adjacent sides and three angles of quadrilateral are given. So let's start with question first. Construct the following quadrilaterals. The second part of the first question is construct a quadrilateral PLAN in which length of PL is 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. First step, we will draw a rough sketch PLAN. We will do labeling. PL is 4 cm, LA is 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. So students, when we construct a quadrilateral with two sides, then the very necessary condition is the side which we are taking as base, on that base both the angles must be known. Means if you want to take PL as base, then you should aware about the angle P as well as angle L. If you want to take LA side as base, then also you should know about angle L. It means for both the conditions we required angle L. Measure of angle L, firstly we need to find out, and for that we will use angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So by using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we know that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That's why these four angles sum will be 360. By this relation we will get angle L, that will be 75 degree. So now this angle L will be 75 degree. So now this angle L will be 75 degree. Now we will start our construction. It's your choice students. You can take PL as base or you can also take LA as base. I am taking PL as base. So first of all, I'll draw a line PL which is of 4 cm. As you can observe student, angle P is of 90 degree and angle L is of 75 degree. So it means at point P we will draw angle 90 degree and at point L we will draw angle of measure 75 degree. So let's draw it at point P. First of all, at point P 90 degrees, here it will be, and at point L 75 degrees, point L 75 degree, here it will be. Draw it carefully students. 75 degree is acute angle, so this is 75 degree and this one is 90 degree. Now students, please observe this point carefully. We are getting point P and L, we draw an angle 90 degree and 75 degree, but we don't know where is point A. The point A will be on this line, but where it will be, we will construct that point A with the help of this distance. This distance is given 6.5 centimeter. It means we will take L as a center and we will mark an arc of 6.5 centimeter. By that we will get point A. So now we will open the compass with radius 6.5 centimeter. So we will take L as a center and we will mark an arc which will cut this line at 6.5 centimeter like this, and this will be our point A, right? Now at point A angle is 110 degree. It means now at point A we will construct angle of 110 degrees. So keep it on point A, 110 it will be obtuse angle. Here it will be students 110. So join it. point it will cut the line, this line. By intersection of these two lines we will get the point N. Students, I am going to repeat. By intersection of these two lines we will get the fourth point of quadrilateral, that is point N. So here it will be N, and this angle will be 110 degree. So PLAN is our required quadrilateral.